it's raining cats and dogs out there. Hello and hello. My name is Tino Trevor. Welcome to the English Experience. Today's lesson is how to talk about the rain. Earlier you heard me say it's raining cats and dogs out there. This means it's raining heavily. Here are a few more phrases that mean the same thing. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's pouring. It's pouring. It's storming. It's storming. It's pelting down. It's pelting down. It's a downpour. It's a downpour. It's torrential. It's torrential. However, not all rain is heavy rain. So here are a few phrases to describe light rain. It's rainy. It's rainy. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. It's sputtering. It's sputtering. During the summertime, it rains quite a lot in Brazil. If you're unlucky enough to get caught out in the rain, you'll inevitably get wet. So here are some phrases to describe when you get all wet. I'm wet. I'm wet. I'm drenched. I'm drenched. I'm soaked. I'm soaked. To recap, here are different ways of saying it's raining. It's coming down. It's pouring. It's storming. It's pelting down. It's a downpour. It's torrential. It's rainy. It's drizzling. It's sputtering. And the different ways of saying I'm all wet, I'm drenched. I'm soaked. I hope you found the lesson useful, but so that you can improve your English, here's more vocabulary to help you talk about the rain. What a gloomy day. Look at those clouds. I think it's going to rain again. It stormed last night. There was a lot of thunder and lightning. My umbrella was absolutely useless. I would have been better off using my raincoat and some wellies. I got absolutely drenched. The streets are flooded and there are huge puddles everywhere this morning. Would you believe it? I'm stuck indoors. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Until next time, cheers, peace out. It's raining cats and dogs out there.